Good evening. This is Agnes Marfella from class L4BD in from graph from interactive digital media. For the final project of the interactive design study, I decided to create some kind of a company profile using Figma and WordPress. Before I go into the WordPress, I will show you some of my progress before on the midterm, which I made, and also the same company profile, which is a Lipo group specifically in Indonesia. As you can see in here, I made when I make this in Figma, I try to make it as simple as possible. So when later I made it in WordPress, it will be a lot easier. So this is for the home page. I also redesigned completely about the header, which also the footer in here. And here will be the home page in here. And with that, from here we will go into about us, which is the about us will be consist of everything we need to know about the profile itself, from the founder, which is a founder of the Lipo Group Indonesia, and then also the vision and mission about what will be the company, why the company actually exists, and what is the vision and mission in order to something like that. And then from here we'll be going to the business overview, which in other terms will be the surface archive page. In here, this will be all the some of the properties what the people has, not only from the Jakarta and around to almost the entire islands of Indonesia. So in here, like from all of these, it will be several categories. There are malls, hospitals, hotels, urban developments. There are also like asset management. But for now, I was specifically talking about this one in particular. This one is actually what I know the most, which why I decided to make like a standalone window website about specifically about one of the properties what Lipo has, which is Lipo Mall Puri, which is located in somewhere around Puri Kencana in West Jakarta. As you can see, for those people who actually live in Jakarta, in the West Jakarta, will be a lot easier to access. Which is in here, you can see like some of the summary of the what is the mall really is about, and then this is the address, and then of course, if you can click here, you will go into lead you to the website, and of course, last and not least, we will go into the context. In here, you will if you actually confused about, or do you want to have more about information about the want to know about more information about the company, you can actually enter your name, your email, your phone, and then what is like your, and then the message in here which one are you going to ask, and then of course there will always be like some of the call centers, and then the email, and then and once again, and this time this one is for the address of the actual Lipo company itself, which is somewhere in Karawaci. And then after that, once you have filled all of this you will be submitted and hoping you can send me. And of course, for the footer itself, will be like the corporate secretary, which has the same information, and then this is the same information is this one, and now including the facts. Now with that clear in mind, it's time for me to show you what I have done with it. Once that for the final project, I decided to recreate everything what I made in Figma to use into WordPress, which I going to admit is the hardest thing I've ever done. But without further ado, let's begin. First, we begin in homepage. And as I can show you, it's very, very messy. This is due about the fact that we actually learned WordPress very in the very short amount of time, during somewhere it between 4 weeks before or 6, between like 8 weeks before the finals actually started. So as you can see that at first glance in the editing page, you see like it looks very messy, but if you go into the view in the new tab, you can see that at least it's actually something. And unlike the ones that I show you, And unlike the other things that I did, this this one is completely different what I made in Figma. This is due to my inexperience using WordPress, and there's a lot of so many things I have to use the different types of plugins, different types of codes. When for that, for the whole company profile I made in WordPress, I using two types of plugins. One is the toolset blocks, and the other is called cadence blocks, which I for the cadence block I using the majority for the buttons. But the toolset blocks are using completely everything for the layout. While I did the good job for doing the header and the footer, but I have a very hard time on making the image very full screen. As you can see, the even the spacing in here is a bit messy. That's because sometimes even if you know how to like to space making a space and then like the margins or anything, sometimes the result is does sometimes it doesn't match with the editing page. But anyway, let's continue to the about us. And as you can see, this is like the same about us page that I did make. But unlike this one, which actually looks more clean and then more organized, this one is kind of slightly more messy. As like you can see, even the word here, it doesn't line up with the others. This is because I've been trying my best to actually try to at least to recreate everything using the provided plugins. And then before in here, and of course like usual, we will go to the vision and mission. And then after this, we will lead to the business overview like usual. And then in here, there's some space in here. And then we go to Lipomopuri. And then this is where for all the information about the specific properties. And then finally, going to the contact us. Now, with everything said, this is what you're going to expect. Once again, I want to apologize because due to my inexperience using WordPress, I hope that in the future I can make something more decent than this, and hopefully can make at least decent as Figma. Thank you very much, and good evening.